How to equip titles in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of equipping titles in the game Blox Fruits. It's a straightforward procedure, so ensure that you follow along attentively. At the time of recording this tutorial, there are currently various and numerous titles available in Blox Fruits. You can equip and switch between all the titles your character possesses by interacting with a specific NPC. To access these titles, head towards the cafe and descend into the basement or the room beneath the cafe. Upon descending the stairs, you will encounter the title specialist NPC. By conversing with them, you can view the titles you currently own, those you are yet to unlock, and easily switch between them by selecting from the list provided. While I can't cover all the titles in this video due to their multitude, I suggest checking the wiki for the comprehensive details on how to acquire them. The title specialist can be found either in the room below the cafe, or on the second floor, or in the mansion, or in the third floor, where you can manage and switch your titles. If you believe you should have earned a title but don't see it listed, double check the requirements, and the wiki is a valuable resource for detailed information. Equipping any of these titles will display them next to your name when chatting, and upon unlocking a new title, a new notification will appear at the top of your screen and a message will also pop up in your chat box. Just follow these cues and you will be all set. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in assisting you with equipping titles in Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.